Hi everyone, I'm Nathaniel. I'm one of the co-founders of Greenwood Labs, and this is the final tutorial covering loan management on Greenwood V2. Today, we'll focus on withdrawing collateral from our outstanding cryptocurrency loans. So let's get started. For this demo, we'll be using the Coven deployment of Greenwood V2, which you can find at coven.greenwood.finance. It's important to note that Greenwood V2 is currently unaudited, so please exercise caution if you decide to use our mainnet deployment. First, you're going to need to connect to a wallet on the proper network. Now that we're connected, we can see that our outstanding loans are loaded to the interface and ready to be managed, so let's click the My Loans button. As we discussed last time, the My Loans view has all the information you need to manage your outstanding loans. First, click the loan you want to interact with. Next, let's click the Withdraw Radio button. We can enter the amount we would like to withdraw in the field below, and then we can press the blue Withdraw button. As we can see on the left side of the screen, the transaction is pending. And we know the transaction has been successful when the status complete toast appears and our collateral lock decreases by our withdrawal amount. And that's it. We have successfully withdrawn collateral from our cryptocurrency loan using Greenwood. This concludes our series of loan management tutorials for Greenwood V2. If you have any questions or comments about Greenwood V2, consider following us on Twitter and reach out to us directly by joining our Discord community. Links are in the description below. Cheers.